Either $15 back making machine installation. When machine reach to factory, need to check below part is missing or not. Free spare parts. Handle unit, foot unit, and spare hair cylinder. Main mode gasket plate, main mode side plate, screws, aluminum plate. Check machine if get any damage during machine transport. Machine placement like below picture. Main machine placement. Use crane to pull up main machine, then push machine base under machine. Alignment screw hole and slow down the main machine. Tight all of screws. Use crane pull up main machine 5 cm. Put iron plate. Install foot screw. Use gradienter to measure the level. Can adjust from foot screw. Main machine and handle unit distance around 1.2 meter. Keep parallel. Use forklift connect feeding unit and handle unit. Alignment screw hole. Use screw connect 2 unit and tight screw and foot screws. Use gradienter to measure level. Can adjust from foot screw. Main mode motor installation. Move motor to the top of main machine. Alignment screw hole. Put pin on the hole. Tight screw. Put screw on connector plate and tight. Put main belt on main motor shaft. On the main mode motor, put stepping roller. Put stepping belt. Alignment screw hole on the fixed plate. Put screw and not tighted. Adjust upside screw on adjust plate. Adjust belt, let it become tight, then tight all of screws. Install belt buckle, tight screws and nut. Tight second screw. Use gradient to check belt is vertical or not. Loose screw on the transmission shaft. Put belt. Adjust the screw, let belt become vertical and tight. Tight all of screws. Electric and air system. Plug in aviation plug to corresponding hole. On feeding unit, have one reserve air pipe. Connect it to handle unit gas tank. Connect one air pipe from air compressor to handle unit gas tank. Connect one air pipe from air compressor to main machine air filter. Air compressor's air pressure have to more than 0.6 MPa. After connect air pipe, check each position air pressure. During machine running, it cannot lower than 0.6 main sealing position, 0.4 MPa. Feeding unit swing arm, 0.2 MPa. Feeding unit side folding, 0.4 MPa. On-line creasing, 0.4 MPa. Open electric cabinet, close all of contact switch, corresponding to the phase sequence of the neutral line and the live line. Connect the power line. Connect the reserve grounding device row and grounding terminal with a 16 square 5-core wire. The main power switch is at least 100 ampere. Main machine test. Open machine power switch. Open all of contact switch one by one. Open host power. Manual pull belt. Let cork bags move to the bottom of main mode. Press set. Press cork base. Press advance. Press cork base. Check cork base just touch the main mode bottom or not. Put gear on the belt. Tight screws. Open ultrasonic generator power and press test button. Check it, showing red light up, make overload or not. Press Set on touch screen. Press Main Mode. Press up and down. Check it can move properly or not. Press Cork Base. Press forward and backward. Check it can move properly or not. Press Claw. Press forward and backward. Check it can move properly or not. Press Gusset Plate. Press forward and backward. Check it can move properly or not. Press Bottom Insert Plate. Press up and down. Check it can move properly or not. Press Main Seating Position. Press forward and backward. Check it can move properly or not. Press Cutter. Press up and down. Check it can move properly or not. Press Reset. Check machine can do in reset complete or not. Check each original light is showing red light or not. Press forward and backward. Check it can work properly or not. Press left and right jog. Check it can work properly or not. Press Cutter. Check it can work properly or not. Fold unit installation. Loose 4 side disc screws. Press Set. Press Foundation. Input suitable value on points and remember this value. Measured in millimeter, the value you input is left and right foundation plate moved out distance. Have to make sure after input this value, put unit can enter inside. Wait for foundation plate movement finished. Make sure this width is bigger than fold unit width. Press Set. Press Bottom Insert. Press Up. Press Fold unit on the main machine. Press Fold unit on the main machine. Put 4 sides foot screws. Take out nut from screw rod. Install connect plate. Put screw but not tighten. Adjust the fold unit height from the foot screw. Rotate the nut. Press Set on touch screen. Press Main Mode. Press down. Move the main mode going to down. Use triangle ruler to check the entry of fold unit is vertical with main mode or not. After checking, tight all the screws, foot screw, nut. Press Set. Press Foundation. Input the value on us. The value have to same with which set on points. Wait for foundation plate movement finished. Tight 4 side screws. Collection unit installation. Let the entry of collection unit face to exist to fold unit. Locked wheel. Adjust collection unit height from screw. Make sure bag can transport to collection unit without obstacle. Connection collection unit plug. Open collection unit and fold unit power switch. From this inverter can adjust the speed of collection unit. From this inverter can adjust the speed of fold unit. Get one air pipe connect to collection unit. Preparation of machine before operation. Remove the elevated rack connection panel. Take out the flat fold deviation correction and positioning pin. Check whether the deviation correction movement is normal. Check whether the function of the deviation correction return is normal. Click the manual and automatic switch button. Switch to the manual mode. Long press the tension button at the tension function switch while holding down the upper and lower buttons for tension reset function. The black button is the manual and automatic change-over switch. In manual mode, the tension is added and decreased on the deviation correction controller. In automatic mode, the tension is added and decreased on the upper and lower buttons. Drop the air shaft into the fabric roller. Move the feeding check and align at the slot's position. Open the valve. Make sure the fabric is in the middle of the air surge shaft. Open the manual valve. Put up the positioning cylinder. Secure the fabric with an air gun. Open creasing wheels manual valve. Open the rubber roll manual valve. Through the fabric. Open the elevated rack rubber roll. Open the cutter rubber roll. Put the fabric to the cutter, then close the rubber roll. Adjust the side folding by these screws. For new machine, do not adjust this part first, because already adjusted before loading. Adjust the side folding by these screws. For new machine, do not adjust this part first, because already adjusted before loading. These two buttons are the split and close function of the folding side device. Release the external nut to adjust the feeding rack position through the hand wheel. Release the external nut to adjust the folding side device position through the hand wheel. Release the external nut to adjust the position of the folding side ultrasonic mode. Point the fabric edge at the alignment color mark checker. Electric eye mode select signal electric eye. Front and rear select rear. Select automatic mode. When the lights of the upper group flicker left and right, it indicates that the automatic deviation correction has started. the fabric and align the color mark to the cutter position. Open the printing function in the touchscreen interface. Tap the cutter and remove the excess fabric. Move the color checker through the hand wheel. Align the color punctuation. Click the yellow button to wait for the electric eye to display good. Align with the basic color. Click the yellow button to wait for the electric eye to display good. Place an iron plate at the bottom of the mold and loosen the mold paddle screws. According to the back size, place the same pass on the left and right sides and lock the screws. Adjust the stopper. Ensure the fabric does not touch the bottom of the mold and lock the screws. Adjust the beam according to the size of the bag, so that the distance between the beam and the mold is about 2 cm. Place the mold to the bottom. Be careful, don't let the mold touch the back belt. The back belt at each part can be moved through the yellow button. Place the mold to the bottom. Click the backdrop cylinder in the touchscreen. Check its weather operation. Tap the heat sealing. Set the heat sealing arm straight. Loosen the 4 lead plate screws. Enter half of the change value in millimeter on the points or S unit, depending on the front width of the mold. Wait for the foundation plate to be already moved. Lock the 4 big plate screws. Click Set, click Shed Bag, click Advance, then adjust the distance of the red belt with the mold. The gap between the belt and the mold is about 1 mm. The bottom of the belt just fits the mold. Click the heat sealing. Check whether the mold will shift unilaterally When the ultrasonic mode touches the main mode, point the bottom insert, raise the bottom insert. Release the bottom 3 screws. Remove the bottom insert panel. Install the corresponding size bottom insert board. Click the bottom insert. The value increase here is that bottom insert close to the mode. Decrease is away from the mode. The gap between the bottom insert and the mode should be about 2 mm. Click Side Insert, click Advance, check Side Insert for collision. The position of the single crease can be adjusted through the handle wheel. The position of both creases can be adjusted through the hand wheel. Open the indentation hand pull valve. Through the upper and lower buttons, the position of the elevated rack can be adjusted to adjust the position of the back bar. Handle sealing machine adjustment. Handle sealing machine fitting. Close creasing wheels through the hand pull valve. Turn the automatic and manual changeover switch to manual gear to enter the back bar length. Wait for the cutter to move over. Turn the manual and automatic change over switch to automatic gear. If the back is long on the left and short on the right, convert to the manual mode. Enter the appropriate value at the retreat cutter position. Then transfer it automatic. Click the yellow test button. If the strap of the hot point is located on the outside, move the yellow photoelectric switch to the right for the corresponding distance, then lock it up. Then switch to automatic. Click the yellow test button. Check whether the adjustment is complete. Back folding machine adjustment. Through this hand wheel, you can adjust the size of the folding machine back mouth side width. The width should be the same as the back side width. The mobile iron plate is to adjust the front width of the folding machine. After locking the connection plate, the width of the folding machine will change with the large board moving. Collection unit adjustment. Click to start. Immediately press pause to test a bag. Drop the acrylic board. If you don't drop the acrylic board, reaching it into the bag will hurt you. Adjust the bag sorting machine according to the bag size. Adjust the platform height by the upper and lower buttons. The bag height is 1 cm above the iron plate. Adjust the position of the left and right air cylinder so that it just touches the bag. Lock the screws. If the back height is relatively high, it can extend the baffle and lock the screws. Point the baffle back to make sure there is no collision. Boot operation. Turn on the creasing air cylinder function. Turn on the handle sealing function. Turn on the creasing function. Click to start. Immediately press pause to text a bag. If the bag mouth is as shown in the figure, the bag is higher than the front and both sides are the same. Enter half of the difference value in millimeter at the front bag mouth. After 2 bags, you get the adjusted bag. If the bag mouth is high on one side and low on the other, enter half of the difference value in millimeter at the claw. If the left and right seams are different, enter the phase difference value in millimeter at the seams.